Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace text in WordPad. So for example, we have here this text. If we would like to change 13 number to 15 in old document, we need to click on the replace option or use shortcut Ctrl H to do it. So I click here and then replace options will be successfully displayed here. On find what, we need to type 13 because we want to replace this one number. And on replace with, we need to type a text that will be visible after change. So for example, I type here 15th. And then if you want to replace it only one time, you need to click replace button. But if you want to replace it in all document, you need to click replace all. So I click here replace all and you will see this one information. WordPad has finished searching the document. We click OK button. We need to close this window, and how you see 13th number has been successfully changed to 15th. So it's all for today. If I helped you to use this function, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.